I just sent Lee Sin home and then stopped at Mummy's. I put my laundry outside the door earlier on my way downstairs. Then I hang it out and then go home and do my next load. You can see the sea clearly today, but windy. At the same time, I think it's hazy. It was very hazy. Okay, I'll finish this and then go home, finish my next load. Then I will check and reply to all the messages. Oh, I'm tired already. Then I got Andy at 4. I shall say good night to all of you now itself. But I will reply. I will reply to all the messages as soon as I go down. I love you all.